Hello everyone! Welcome to my vlog! This is Maris Asiram. It's 5 o'clock in the morning and we're walking along this pathway in the Rotunda of Aurora. And as you can see, there are also a lot of people, youngsters, adults who are jogging to have some exercise like us. Excellent environment, very clean and green. That way is going to Cagayan de Oro City. People in this place are enjoying jogging and walking. My husband is enjoying walking along the path. And I really enjoy looking at the place because some people are walking and of course it's Sunday. There are also some people going to the church and I enjoy looking at the birds. So there you go. So it's a bird alone. So cute. And there are a lot of youngsters who are jogging along this place, and you can see the birds at the top of the roof at the rotunda, or we can say freedom. The birds are so cute. It's like they are having a meeting and there is a leader. So cute. I am amazed with those birds. So there are a lot of birds. Those birds are sitting on the wires high up in the air. So these wires can be filled with dozens and even hundreds of birds. Are they getting shocked while they sit there? They must not be, right? After all, you don't hear any screeches or see puffs of smoke and feathers, so there's no smell of roasted bird in the air. So what's their deal? How can birds sit under those wires and not get shocked? The copper in electrical wires is a great conductor. Birds are not good conductors. That's one reason they don't get shocked when they sit on electrical wires. The energy bypasses the birds and keeps flowing along the wire instead. Another reason why birds can sit on a wire without getting shocked, so there's no voltage difference in a single wire. For electrons to move, there must be what scientists call a difference in electrical potential. For example, energy flows from areas of high voltage to areas of low voltage. If it flows through a single power line at 35,000 volts, it will continue along the path of least resistance. That means it will bypass birds because there's no difference in electrical potential. Early in the morning here in our place, so you can witness many birds up in the sky, and of course they are sitting on the wires or at the top of the roof or at the top of the trees. They are enjoying flying and maybe they are searching for food. There are a lot of birds anywhere here early in the morning. So if you want to witness birds flying on the sky, or if you want to see or want to have a birds watching, So you can have jogging and walking early in the morning and witness this kind of beautiful sightseeing here in our place. Aurora Regional Pilot School. As you can see, there are a lot of logs beside the road. These trees are very tall. I think there will be a road widening in this area because the road is so narrow. This way is Aurora Gymnasium. SPED or Special Education. Inside the fence is the Aurora Playground. Zamboanga del Sur Provincial College. As you can see up high, there are a lot of birds flying in the sky, and some of those landing on trees and to the wires. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Marisa Siram. Enjoy the beauty of nature.